channel, and if you're new around here, hi, I'm Mackenzie. In today's video, we're going to be doing a full office makeover of my home office, and I am very much looking forward to this. I'm going to show you guys the office, how it looks now, then we're going to go to Ikea this weekend. I'll do a haul of what I get from there. I also have a lot of stuff coming from Amazon and Target, so we'll do a haul of that. And then as we kind of start clearing out the office, I'm going to show you guys the makeover process, and then at the end of this video, I will show you guys the grand reveal so y'all can see how it all came together. But first, a little bit of background about why I want to review the office. If you're new around here, this YouTube channel used to be primarily a Disney World vlogs, and my office very much reflects that right now, which is fine. But as I've expanded this channel to include more videos outside of Disney content, I want my office to be a reflection of that. Right now, my office is a place that I can only spend about 45 minutes editing in, and then I have to take a break and get out of there. It's just not comfortable, it's not relaxing, and it's not an environment that's really nurturing content creation right now. So I just want to make it a space that I'm gravitating towards and that I feel good making content in, especially as I'm wanting to grow this channel with you guys. So that's kind of why we're doing this. Let's go ahead and head into the office now so I can show you guys the before of what the office looks like right now. That way you can kind of see what we're working with. So here is the before of what we're working with right now. Overview, it's a lot. Let's just go ahead and dive in. Over here, right when you come in, this is like my storage area. These cubbies are so unorganized. Things are just like thrown in there, all mishmash of stuff. You can see I have camera, paper, all sorts of stuff. I have a calendar back there that is from our engagement. That's how old it is, so that needs to go. There are things in this office that I do want to salvage. I don't want to be wasteful when it comes to this office redo, so I'll kind of show you guys some of the things as we're going through this of things I want to keep. One of those things is this mirror here. I actually thrifted this mirror a while ago. It was pink, and clearly I painted it white, and it definitely needs a second coat, so we will get around to that. Another thing I definitely want to keep is this rug. It is from Ikea, but I love the natural hardwood floors we have in the house, and this rug is just like the perfect size to like break it up a little bit, so we would definitely be keeping that. Another thing staying is the desk. This desk I got off Amazon. I'm gonna link it down below because it is amazing. It was a great deal. I love the black metal legs on the desk, and then it's just a white desktop, which is perfect. So as you can see, I have a lot of stuff out on the desk. I want to find a place that I can store all my camera batteries, my hard drive, everything like that to get it out of the way. And then I have a lot of colorful like notebooks and sticky notes and stuff like that I want to have a place that I could tuck those away, so when you walk into the office it doesn't look very cluttered and overwhelming. It just looks nice and neutral. Clearly the elephant in the room is the blanket on the window. When I bought the house, this was the only window that didn't come with curtains, and it just kind of feels weird editing in here, and my neighbors walk by this area a lot so they can see in, so that's why I have that covered. I do like a lot of natural light in here while I'm editing. As you can see, I like to leave this window open when I'm working in here. I just want to get some window treatments for that window back here, and of course that one there. So yeah, this is the office overview. It's an amazing space. I can't get over that. It's an amazing space and has lots of room and lots of natural light. I just really want to refresh it, make it more neutral, add some artwork maybe to this wall over here, and just make it my own and make it a place that I'm really excited to spend time in. We're gonna head to Ikea this weekend, so that'll be the next clips you see, a little bit of Ikea, and then I'll do a haul once we get home of everything we got. Good morning, everyone. We have made it to the promised land. I don't know if you can see it, but we're here at Ikea looking for stuff for the office and probably a bunch of other stuff too. I think I talked about this earlier in the video, but we don't have an Ikea anywhere where we live, like anywhere near us. And so we were visiting some friends in Houston, Texas, and we have one here. So we're gonna go in and try to see what we can find, and let's just come along. We haven't even made it into Ikea showroom yet, and Bryce already had to stop and get a cinnamon roll. But he's gotta have fuel for this office redo, so in we go, finally. Here's the bookshelf I want, and I want these bins as well, but I think it's the perfect size, and it'll keep things organized, but I could also make it look good. It's just $49. It's very nice, I like it. I'm glad I got to see it in person. We have made it to the home office motherland. There is like so much to choose from, and I'm a little overwhelmed. Just a little bit. We got Bryce over here testing out the chair. Oh, he looks too cozy. Found his office. I like the chair. Oh, but I also like these storage units here. We have got ourselves quite the haul here. We're loading stuff into the truck now. when I get back to the house, I will show you everything we got, but it is gonna be good. All right, so we are officially back from Ikea now. It was a great trip. I picked up so many things, and a lot of things I picked up from Target and Amazon also came in. So let's go through and do a quick haul. First thing I wanna mention, I'm gonna put a picture of it over here. We put it together last night. It is my Billy bookshelf from Ikea. I love it. It's going to replace that mess back there, and it's a lot bigger than I thought, and I'm very, very happy with it. I got it in white because I want everything to be nice and neutral in here. To go along with that, I got these Drona little shelf organizers, I guess, little baskets. I really, really love these. They're a really nice material, and I think it'll keep everything nice and organized. I picked up 3 of these. These were styled in the bookshelf, on the website, and in person when we went to Ikea, and I just love them. So I got 3 of those. Next up from Ikea, I just got this little vase. I want to have fresh flowers in here. I think it'll add in some color and some happiness and brightness in here. So I got a little vase so I can get some fresh flowers and start stocking that in the office. Next up, we have this. It is a little desktop, like prop desk thing. I don't really know what to call it, but I'm gonna put my desktop on top of there. If it doesn't feel secure, it'll still just be a nice little storage area, like I can set to the side. I love that it has a drawer, because you can see my desk does not have a drawer, so this will be perfect addition so I can kind of organize some things and get clutter off my desk. Another small thing, I got these little coasters. They're the little just cork looking coasters. We have these in our living room and in our kitchen and dining room, and I'm always stealing one from there for my office, so I just got my own for here. And finally from Ikea, I got these frames. These were only like $18.99, something like that. I got 2 of them. I love the like little frame around the picture, and I printed out some really good artwork that I designed that is Disney-esque for a little bit of Disney in the office. These frames are so inexpensive at Ikea. I scoured Amazon trying to find like these matted frames, and I could not find them anywhere, but Ikea of course had them in so many sizes and at such a good price. Now we're gonna move on to the random assortment of things from Target, Amazon, and Home Goods that I actually bought. First up, I want to talk about this little lamp from Target. I don't particularly stay up late and edit. I like to do most of my editing while I'm off during the day, but there are times that I do have to stay in here and it's getting dark outside and I can't have the bright light from the windows. So just like a little nice mood light was something I really wanted to incorporate in the office. So that was a great find. I picked up this little potter plant. He needs some love. You know, I saw him sitting there and I was like, you need some love. But I cannot be trusted to keep anything alive in this room. The flowers are pushing it. So I wanted to add a little bit of greenery, and this is the way I'm gonna do it. So for my window treatments, I got these little curtain rods from Target. I've already hung one of them up. I will show you guys like a little clip over this. Bryce hung it up because I wanted to see how it looked. It looks great. I love the little black accents that we're adding in here. So these will be on these 2 windows right here. And then to go on the curtain rods, I just got these like light filtering curtains from Target. They're the Threshold brand. They're not super see-through. They let a little bit of light through, which I really love. Moving on to something I got from Home Goods. It's this little decorative kind of container. I wanted to add this color in on the bookshelf because I have a couple little like wooden accents that I thought this would help tie everything in. Kind of like my phone stand and the little desktop monitor that I have right here. The shelf is this color. So I thought it would be really nice, and I love storage so much. I want to get this office nice and organized, and storage does not have to be unappealing. It can be beautiful and cute like this thing. Another thing I picked up from Amazon is this little pencil pen organizer and spinner holder. I just wanted something nice and neutral, and this is good because it can keep a lot of stuff in here. I like the different levels too, so if I need to put things other than pens, markers, I can kind of organize it like that. So this is a good find from Amazon. I will link below. Finally, the biggest item I got from Amazon is my office chair. I'm gonna insert a clip of the office chair over this because it's gonna be very hard to show, but we picked this up from Amazon. At Ikea, all of the office chairs I was really interested in were about $280 to $400. And while an office chair is a really good investment because you want something nice and supportive and comfortable, I could not justify spending that much on an office chair just yet. So I found this one on Amazon. It was about $150, but it came with like a $30 off coupon, which I'm all about a coupon. Super easy to put together. It took me about 10 minutes and it is wonderful. I feel like I'm gonna be able to edit a lot longer in that chair and really support my like neck and back and feel good. I think that's everything I've really picked up from the office. I think next on the agenda, I am going to finish painting this mirror white, and then I'm going to clear everything out, do a really nice hard clean on the office, and then we'll start moving everything in and put it all together. This is gonna be the most difficult part of an office redo. The shopping is easy and the deciding things is fun, but the cleanup, the prepping is going to be a lot of work, but it's gonna be worth it in the end. So let's go ahead and get started on that. Alright, so hair obviously had to go up because it was getting quite warm in here. So just to kind of sum up what you just saw, everything I did, I cleaned out the entire office, took every piece of furniture and thing out of here, and then I did a little deep clean. I vacuumed, scrubbed the baseboards, cleaned the windows, did it all. And then I kind of brought in the bigger furniture pieces, my desk, my cute little Billy bookshelf over there, and hung up the window treatments. You saw all that. So now it is time to start the decoration process, which is definitely going to be my favorite part about redoing my office, is just putting all these pieces together and seeing how they look. I'm not going to show you guys like the detailed version of that. I just kind of want to get it all in and then do the grand reveal for you guys. So without further ado, let's see how it all comes together. Here is my office reveal. All right, welcome to my office. I absolutely love how everything turned out, and I can't wait to dive in and kind of show you guys a more detailed look. But love the simple, clean lines that we have going on, and let's go ahead and look at the details. So I want to start over here at the bookshelf. These are the two prints I was talking about. If you love Disney, you can see this is the Disney Skyliner and the Millennium Falcon. I got these prints online, and then I went into Canva and made them a cool mosaic texture. So I'm absolutely in love with them. Then we venture a little bit further down on the desk. Here's my lamp, a little candle. I just love this candle. It's just beautiful. It will not be lit, but. And then over here, I got this essential oil diffuser from Target a long time ago, and I love it. I have fresh peppermint popping into the space, making it nice and calming for doing content creation, editing, and work like that. Down here, I just have my storage kind of organized like so. Incorporated some pictures and another little plant to break everything up. But everything is nice and organized. You can see I have paper products in here. I have all of our Disney stuff down there, and then just extra office supplies as well. So this turned out really beautiful. I love how simple and clean it looks. I'm just obsessed with it. Moving on to the back wall, as you can see, I have my window treatments hung up. I love all the light that's being let in here. I can keep these windows open, but have the curtains kind of protecting some privacy in here. I wanted to add this little basket from our living room. I'm gonna get a new basket for in there, but I thought this was perfect because I get really cold while editing, and so I thought it'd be nice to have a little blanket I can reach for there. And then of course, the thrifted mirror just looks beautiful. Probably needs one more coat of paint, but we'll get around to that. But for now, very happy with it. Moving on to the desk, which I think is probably my favorite part about this space. I love how clean it looks when I'm not working on it. I kind of tuck everything away under this desk organizer. I don't know if you can see, but I have my keyboard, my mouse, everything under there, and then I just pull it out when I need it, but it's nice and clean when I'm not. Then in this little desk right here, I just have my hard drive, some little sticky notes, notepads, camera batteries, camera battery charger over there because I charge them on my computer while I'm working. It just keeps everything nice and clean and organized. I love having my little phone holder. It's been so easy to transfer pictures from here right to my computer, and it's just so simple and it's nice. I don't have to lean over the desk to see my phone. Of course, I have my little spinner here. Don't really know what I'm gonna put in these other little cubbies, but I'm sure I will find something. And I had to include my nice fresh flowers. It just brightens up the space and makes it nice and happy and homey and smell extra good. I did decide to put a little picture up here just to make this wall have something, and it's just Bryce and I with our lightsabers at Disney. So he was very happy to see that made it into the office. Here is another little look at the office from a different angle. I love how clean this looks. I love how organized it looks, and I'm just very, very happy to spend time in the space, which is a goal I really wanted to accomplish. So that is the beautiful office. So that is how my office has come together. I am so happy with how it all looks. I really wanted nice, clean, simple lines. I wanted a little bit of color in here, but nothing too much. I just wanted a nice, comforting, calm work environment, and I have definitely achieved that, at least for myself. I hope you guys enjoyed this little office redo and found some things for your home office makeover. Be sure to like this video if you haven't already, and subscribe down below so you don't miss the next video like this one. Thank you guys so much for coming along for this. This was a really big undertaking, and I am just so giddy about how this all came together. I can't wait to sit down and edit this video in my new beautiful office. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you real soon. Bye!